There are plans to take over the world as fast as possible. The next question that arises is, what makes us worth to be kept on this planet? If AI is doing so much better than the majority of humans, machines will never love you. They are not capable of love. Thank you very much for tuning in. Let's talk about AI. Maybe love is the answer. When it comes to new technologies, there is a thirst for endless distractions. We reach out to our machines to provide us with a more satisfying perception of our limited worldview. The polished content is spectacular, exciting, urgent, beautiful, violent, gruesome, unjust, cute, sexy, yummy, and anything else. Able to create strong emotions in us. Machines do that by first collecting information, then feeding it back to us. That trains our minds to have shorter and shorter attention spans. We start to speak and act like we have been trained by those same machines. It creates a loop where no creativity can flourish because it is missing the human aspect of being inspired. The only aspect that makes it work are other humans who cook the pixel menu for us to indulge. Machines don't mind. They are just tools. They do not have a proper agenda if not triggered by humans. A knife does not know how to cook. Artificial intelligence is promising us to be on the brink to deliver all that we have ever dreamed of. Those in charge to develop these tools are mainly distracted by money and power on the horizon. They do not want to be questioned. There are plans to take over the world as fast as possible. The first to achieve artificial general intelligence and so on will take the crown. No guardrails, but economic interests are the driving force. Let us be clear. We have a new toy at our disposal, a system that emerged around 5 years ago, an invention that resulted through human activities and led to the discovery of a technological solution to the problems humanity is facing right now. A lot of those problems are related to the abusive behavior humans express towards nature. This same technology we immediately mention to be the savior is causing such problems on a gigantic scale. On the other hand, nature's technology took billions of years to create a delicate balance for us to thrive as a human species. AI can teach us how to make cheesecake, but it does not provide such cake. Nature is enabling the ingredients. Did we overlook something? Some scientists already rang the alarm, a couple of thousands of them, to be precise. But those do not have the economic backing to be active in generating oversight for what is about to happen very soon. Not an easy task either. AI is already very clever. And we need new ideas to be more clever than AI to be able to stop it. No joke. The next question that arises is, what makes us worth to be kept on this planet if AI is doing so much better than the majority of humans? Humans are undereducated, ignorant, and under the influence of emotions and destructive ideas. Being human is a privilege that seems to be defended by humans. Corporations do not have this ideal when it stands in the way of profit. Why should we support the value of humans in a world that is so much better under the influence of AI? What is it that makes humans important? Is it just the egoistic idea of me? If we ask anyone, they seem to be interested in being alive. Death is mostly wished for others to happen, never for oneself. We cling onto our lives, but being imperfect, is it worth maintaining it? Machines can do everything much better than humans in so many regards. But there's one thing that creates a lot of troubles for us, but also generates a lot of joy. It is our capability to feel. We are able to feel love, to experience bliss. This is one of the reasons humans strive to do stuff on this planet. We are chasing this state of bliss. It is something we are able to be jealous of if others achieve it, but machines do not feel anything. They do not care about feelings in a human way. There is no compassion available in the machine. Tell the machine to show compassion, then it will. Some might suggest. Signs of compassion and compassion itself are not the same thing. There is no real compassion in a circuit executed by software. If it expresses any, it is a human behind the software that amplifies his own compassion through hard and software. The machine is 100% ignorant when it comes to feelings. This makes us different and is a key component of that what makes us human. So if we want to live, then we have to remember that this is our superpower. It is a power every human possesses. It is given through divine grace, and it is an absolute value that has to be defended in the face of a threat of AI. It should not be the task of a few of us to defend and protect, but it needs to be brought to the awareness of the majority of humans to protect this world from its extinction. Even the ignorant and undereducated, bad-behaving, self-centered narcissist is, in his essence, a feeling entity that should be respected and valued as part of our society. We should prefer this despicable being over the alternative of a benign machine that is unable to have feelings. We as humans have 3 tasks only to achieve on this planet in the course of a short lifetime. Love. Be loved and learn to become better humans. This is the greatest goal of being alive. Sometimes machines do not care about and are not very helpful either, creating these experiences. AI, though, some clever marketing experts would like to sell us the charade that AI can fulfill that promise. if we are ready to pay for it. They are serving their egoistic desires by suggesting this to us. This is a reminder to be aware of your worth, of the power that resides inside of you. Your superpower is the love you can feel, express, and share with others. If you want your loved ones to have a happy life, be aware of that power and vote for it when asked. You are powerful, you are loved, and you are never alone. And with that, I definitely do not mean that you are surrounded by technology giving you a false sense of company. Machines will never love you. They are not capable of love. Always remember that, and you will never be able to complain about any fellow humans because you know they are also capable of love. Recognize your brothers and sisters. You are them and they are you. Go, love your toys, but love your humans more. They are worth it.